Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today we're going to learn one of the easiest and most useful tenses in English present simple tense. Don't worry if you've never understood tenses before. By the end of this class, you'll be able to use it confidently.
Ma'am, honestly, I always get confused. Sometimes I don't know whether to say play or plays.
That's completely normal. Many beginners have the same problem. Let's make it very simple. Tell me, what do you do every morning after you wake up?
I brush my teeth.
Excellent. Do you brush your teeth only today?
No, ma'am, every day.
Exactly. That's the key. When we talk about something we do every day, every week, or regularly, we use the present simple tense. So you say, I brush my teeth every morning. Now tell me, what do you do after brushing your teeth?
I drink tea.
Very good. I drink tea every morning. See? These are your daily habits. Now let's talk about your sister. What does she do every morning?
She drink tea.
Almost correct. Listen carefully. When the subject is he, she, or it, we usually add s or s to the verb. So don't say, she drink tea. Say, she drinks tea. Can you repeat?
She drinks tea every morning.
Perfect. Now answer this. Where do you study?
I study at college.
Great. Now tell me about your friend Rahul.
Rahul study at college.
That's a common mistake. Because Rahul is one person, we say, Rahul studies at college, not Rahul study. Can you say it again?
Rahul studies at college.
Excellent. Now let's try some quick questions. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Nice. What do your parents do in the evening?
They watch TV.
Very good. Does your mother cook dinner every day?
Yes, she cooks dinner every day.
Excellent. You're already using present simple correctly. Now one last question. If I say, she play football, is it correct?
No, ma'am, it should be she plays football.
Exactly. Today's rule is very easy. If you're talking about daily habits, routines, or facts, use the present simple. And always remember, I, you, we, they use. Play he, she, it use, plays. That's it. Great. Let's begin today's class.
Ma'am, I get confused between I play cricket and I am playing cricket. They sound almost the same.
That's a great question. Many English learners make this mistake. Let me ask you something. Are you studying English right now?
Yes, ma'am.
So, should you say I study English or I am studying English?
I am studying English?
Exactly. Because the action is happening right now, we use the present continuous. Imagine I'm drinking water in front of you. What will you say?
You are drinking water.
Perfect. Now imagine Rahul is reading a book in the library. What will you say?
Rahul is reading a book.
Excellent. Now look outside the window. Imagine it's raining. How would you describe it?
It is raining.
Very good. Now let's practice with different subjects. I'll say the subject, and you make a sentence. I
am learning English.
Great. She
is cooking dinner.
Perfect. They
are playing football.
Excellent. Now let's correct some common mistakes. Listen carefully. She cooking dinner. Is this correct?
It should be, she is cooking dinner.
Correct. What about this? They is playing football.
No. It should be, they are playing football.
Very good. Now I'll give you some Hindi sentences. Translate them into English. मैं अभी खाना खा रहा हूँ.
I am eating food now.
Perfect. हम अभी अंग्रेजी सीख रहे हैं.
We are learning English now.
Fantastic. Now let's compare yesterday's lesson with today's lesson. Listen carefully. I play cricket every Sunday. Does it mean I'm playing now?
No, ma'am. It's a habit.
Exactly. Now listen to this. I am playing cricket now. What does it mean?
It means you're playing cricket at this moment.
That's the difference. Present simple talks about habits. Present continuous talks about actions happening right now. Now a quick quiz. Which sentence is correct? A. She is reading a book now. B. She reads a book now.
I think it's A.
Correct. Next one. A. They are watching a movie. B. They watching a movie. Option A. Excellent. You're learning very fast. Before we end today's class, remember one simple trick. If the action is happening at this moment, use am plus verb plus ing is plus verb plus ing or plus verb plus ing. Practice this every day, and soon speaking English will become natural.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now I finally understand the difference between present simple and present continuous.
You're welcome. In our next class, we'll learn past simple tense with easy examples and real-life conversations. See you in the next lesson. Excellent work today. Now you know when and how to use the present continuous tense in everyday areas.
I'm excited, ma'am. I've heard about present perfect, but I've never understood it properly.
That's exactly what we'll learn today. Let's get started. First, let me ask you a question. Have you ever visited Delhi?
Yes, ma'am. I have visited Delhi twice.
Excellent. Now tell me, why did you say have visited instead of visited?
I'm not sure.
No problem. We use the present perfect tense when an action happened in the past, but it is connected to the present. For example, I have finished my homework. It means my homework is complete now.
Oh, so the result is important. Exactly.
Imagine your mother asks, "Have you cleaned your room?" What will you answer if your room is already clean?
Yes, I have cleaned my room.
Perfect. Now imagine your friend asks, "Have you eaten lunch?" What will you say?
Yes, I have eaten lunch.
Excellent. Listen carefully. I have ate lunch. Is it correct?
No, ma'am. It should be. I have eaten lunch.
Very good. Another one. She have completed her work. Correct or incorrect?
Incorrect. It should be. She has completed her work.
Excellent. Remember, I, you, we. They have he, she, it has. I'll ask questions. Answer using present perfect. Have you finished today's homework?
Yes, I have finished my homework.
Great. Have you watched this movie?
No, I haven't watched it yet.
Perfect. Has your father reached home?
Yes, he has reached home.
Very good. Now translate these. मैं अपना होमवर्क पूरा कर चुका हूँ.
I have finished my homework.
Perfect. वह अपना नाश्ता खा चुकी है.
She has eaten her breakfast.
Excellent. हम ये फिल्म देख चुके हैं.
We have watched this movie.
Great. Which sentence is correct? A. She has finished her work. B. She have finished her work.
Option A.
Correct. Next. A. I have seen that movie. B. I have saw that movie. Option A. Excellent. Fantastic. Today you've learned how to use the present perfect tense in everyday English. Just remember one simple rule. Have, has plus verb, third form. Use it when an action is completed and its result is important now.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I finally understand the present perfect tense.
You're welcome.
Ma'am, this tense sounds really difficult.
It sounds difficult, but by the end of this class, it'll be one of the easiest tenses for you. Let's begin. First, let me ask you a question. How long have you been learning English?
I have been learning English for 6 months.
Excellent. Now tell me, are you still learning English?
Yes, ma'am.
Exactly. That's why we use the present perfect continuous tense. It describes an action that started in the past and is still continuing now. Let's take another example. How long have you been living? In this city?
I have been living here for 3 years.
Perfect. You're still living here, right?
Yes.
That's why we say have been living. Now answer these questions. How long have you been using a smartphone?
I have been using a smartphone for 5 years.
Very good. How long has your friend been studying English?
He has been studying English for 1 year.
Excellent. Listen carefully. I am studying English for 2 years. Is it correct?
No, ma'am. It should be. I have been studying English for 2 years.
Correct. Another one. She has studying here since 2024, correct?
No, it should be. She has been studying here since 2024.
Perfect. Here's a question. Which one is correct? I have been working here since 2023. Or I have been working here for 2023.
The first one.
Exactly. Remember this easy trick. Since equals starting point since Monday, since 2023, since morning. For equals duration for 2 hours, for 5 years, for 6 months. Translate these sentences. मैं 2 घंटे से पढ़ रहा हूँ.
Have been studying for 2 hours.
Excellent. वह 2022 से यहाँ काम कर रही है.
She has been working here since 2022.
Perfect. हम कई वर्षों से दोस्त हैं.
We have been being friends.
Not quite. A natural sentence is, we have been friends for many years. Not every sentence needs the present perfect continuous.
Oh, I understand now.
Which sentence is correct? A. I have been waiting for an hour. B. I am waiting for an hour.
Option A.
Correct. Next. A. She has been cooking since 7 a.m. B. She is cooking since 7 a.m. Option A. Excellent. Great job. Today you've learned the present perfect continuous tense in a simple and practical way. Remember this easy rule: have, has plus been plus verb plus ing. Use it when an action started in the past and is still continuing now.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I finally know when to use this tense.
You're welcome. If you enjoyed this lesson, like, share, and subscribe for the next episode of our English Tenses Masterclass. If you missed the previous lessons, watch Part 1, Present Simple Tense Part 2, Present Continuous Tense Part 3, Present Perfect Tense. In the next class, we'll learn past simple tense with real-life conversations and easy practice.
See you in the next class.
Keep practicing, keep speaking English, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.